welcome to sunrawsolutions.com. I've been absent for quite a while because I'm here now in sunny Antigua, still quite interested in selling solar juice and also the Waka Waka solar panels that charge phones and iPads and other devices. But now I'm on to solar boats, and here we are with Sunraw, my boat Sunraw, which is powered by Solbian solar panels to a battery bank of 12 volt batteries, straight to Torqeedo engine here, which make fantastic electric engines, and this is the 4.0 series. Now I will start the engine. Well, first I'll cast off, and you can see how fast it goes. In sunlight hours you can go all day long. Full throttle you can go 3 hours and then it will be charged, and in the dark at night you can go 2 hours full throttle around the harbour and get where you have to go. The idea is using electric to get around rivers and calm waterways for vessels 20 feet and under at all times in equatorial positions, because there's no need to use anything but solar.